వెల్కమ్ టు చందన మ్యాథ్స్ ఛానల్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు మనం థర్డ్ బీఎస్సీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టార్ క్యాలిక్యులస్ సెమిస్టర్ 5 పేపర్ 6B మల్టిపుల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్ పార్ట్ 1లో టు ఫైండ్ ఏరియా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసుకోబోతున్నాము. Evaluate double integral x square plus y square into dx into dy over the area bounded by x plus y less than or equal to 1 in the first quadrant. Given line, given inequality x plus y is less than or equal to 1. In this, take the equality, means equal symbol to తీసుకుంటే x plus y equal to 1. Then this is in the form of intercept form. Meets x-axis at x equal to 1 and y-axis at y equal to 1. This is the diagram. So, the points are origin 0, 0, A 1, 0, B 0, 1. Then, limits of x are 0 to 1 and limits of y are in terms of x. So, y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 minus x. By using these limits, we can integrate the given integration. Therefore, required area double integral x square plus y square dx into dy. First limits are taken as x limits for the first integration x equal to 0 to 1. Integral y equal to 0 to 1 minus x square plus y square dy into dx. First integrating with respect to y and next integrating with respect to x. By calculating in this process, then we get the required area is 1 by 6. Next one, evaluate double integral x square plus y square dx into dy over the region bounded by y equal to x, y equal to 2x and y equal to 2x and x equal to 1 in the first quadrant. So y equal to x passing through origin, it has no constant. Also y equal to 2x also passing through origin. So for these two, to draw diagram, take the values of x as like this, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And substituting these values in this equation and in this equation, we get these values. Using these values, draw the diagram like this and take x equal to 1 line. Then this is the shaded area and means required area. So point of intersection of 1 and 2 is origin. Take the limits of x as x equal to 0 to 1 in constant numbers and y limits as in terms of x, means if y equal to x to y equal to 2x. Y equal to x is the lower curve and y equal to 2x is the upper curve in the diagram. So these can be taken as lower limit and upper limit. On integrating as above problem, using these limits, we get required area is 5 by 6. These are the problems based on finding area. From next class onwards, we can change the order of integration. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.